What does this thing do? Oh,
Grant's new shirt for the day.
What are you doing, sir? What's up, guys? It's been a while. So today I thought I'd make a quick little video. There's gonna be a car meet tonight by Wheel Club at Wheel Club on Instagram. They sell a bunch of wheels, rare wheels, cool wheels, dope wheels for a great affordable price. Anyways, right now we're heading to Grant's house, north in Jersey. Gonna go hang out with him for like 30 minutes, then get in his car. Look like it landed on the bridge. This guy's flying, bro. I'm going 65. Look. What the hell? Make sure that it's still. No, I wasn't recording this.
Vlog my shop.
Yeah, bro, you never know.
Guys,
give
me about like a year or two. I'm gonna be in the same place. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna have my own shop.
Even if you're here, give him like a year or two. It'll be like all done up.
I get what you're trying to say, but I'm not staying here.
Nah, you got big goals. You got big goals. What does this thing do? Oh,
Yo.
you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Grant just put this together real quick though. And now we're gonna go to the shop and put this on real quick and then head out to the meet. Oh, I don't want to throw anything. The resonator? It should. It definitely. It probably toned it down, but I don't know. It's still. It's still yeah.
It's still gonna be loud, but it's not gonna be as obnoxious as it was.
Grant's orange is so sick. Anything for sale?
You take the whole shit.
Grant literally just threw this in the back of his daily. Yeah. What?
That hits ass.
It's still loud.
It's deeper. It sounds better. Way better.
So you never know with a Honda. Earlier today, Grant hit me up because I live by Tri-State and they had pen grade oil. I guess this is what he uses on his car. And he's like, yo. He's like, yo, I need oil. And I scooped some oil thanks to Tri-State. Yeah. With Hondas, you never know. Gotta keep the oil on deck.
Peep this shit.
Yo, wait.
Titanium. Wait, you can probably see from there. Yeah.
Yep. Does your disc have titanium at the end of it? What? Mine doesn't. This is a nice intake, bro. It's the poor for me. I'm not about that life.
Wait, I don't think you put the cap back on.
Oh yeah, you didn't.
Oh shit. I'm bugging. That's why I'm not Express Tech, guys. Can't do oil changes every day.
That's fine.
Being in Grant's car right now is really making me miss my intake. The loudness, the raspiness, the stiffness, yeah. Everything about having a car. Yep. Yep. Be your boy, I give you all my time. Why?
With the snake, I got to
What up, bro? What the fuck? What's that thing? Transform? No. Kit!
I put a resume.
Fucking kit. Get a 18. You are deal for that. Because he's how you? Living, bro.
Outside today.
Bro, I know. I missed you guys.
Yeah, but you're talking like crazy. Like,
What's that about?
Touge game. I thought he was coming like with Touge.
Yo, that shit is hard.
Oh no, it's not.
That's a dry car.
That is the one. It is.
I like the fit.
Oh, that shit right there. Yeah, I'm a fan.
Yo, that 4-door, bro.
Awesome.
They saw me buying
Yeah, bro.
shit. They called me and everything.
Trying.
What's it coming out?
Next month.
Next
What's up, man? Nick.
What else do you
What are you doing, sir? Oh. Yo, you're sus.
Big sus.
Where's your seat?
It's right here. It's in there.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
My bad.
No, your shit's over there.
My fault.
Oh shit. Yeah.
It's right here.
Oh, there you go.
Nah, this is actually.
Damn, this shit.
State your name and where you're from and what you drive.
I'm sorry. That's 4:30.
Oh! State your name and your wheel setup and your specs and your color.
Those are fake Mugans. They're 15 by 5.5. This car is not Tahitian green.
Bro,
Those are R32. Vlog real quick.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's TJ Hunt here, man. Just getting at the meet. Turn it up. Alright, that's enough. I'm done. This is a big ass camera. What the fuck are you supposed to be doing?
no, what is it?
Huh?
Last minute, bro. Shut up.
Paleos, bro.
No. It's Mondo's Towing.
Mondo's towing all day, every day. I'm out here day and night, baba. I don't care. Look
Where's
for
the
the red tow truck.
where's the truck right now?
Tow truck?
Where's it?
That shit is on night.
Blew a heck out. Bro.
Sorry. Me too.
Reset.
Oh, it's a video? My bad.
Why did he boot you?
What's wrong more?
It's gonna rain! It's gonna rain! He said hi, and then bye.
That's a cool ass nigga.
I don't know where he's
Oh, you coming? You rode with Grant?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Where we going?
Before me getting out this tight ass seat, bro.
Is it already recorded?
Actually, that wasn't bad. Wait, so you sold the Integra?
That's in my backyard.
What'd you do to it?
Nothing. It's back in stock. You wanna buy it? Buy it.
Wait, so the Integra's can't already show.
Yeah.
I don't need an Integra.
Yeah, you do. Another one, a daily, with a K series.
Nice Lancer, bro.
No, it's fine, but it's meant for older chassis.
Who am I following? It's a DTM.
Yeah.
Puppy
I
shampoo.
looked at it, it came out of a Corolla.
It came out of Corolla.
94 Corolla.
94 Corolla.
ATCC jungle.
Puppy shampoo.
Shut up. Mom!
It sounds deeper. It sounds deeper.
It does. I gotta hear you take off now. You wanna see it, bro?
Later, man.
Yours out before mine.
Hopefully they're out together at the same time.
My only hope is that when I come out, he's still out, because it never happens. It's like I go back out, he comes like.
Open by now, right?
Want me to check?
Let's look at this.
The hell? He had to check if the hood was open. Yo, 60 frame gang! My real camera died. I guess follow. That was staring bad hard.
I want to hit the self-wash, but it's about to rain too.
Huh?
I want to hit the wash, but it's about to rain too.
But check, then I do it again till I run out of breath. I barely post on the gram cause niggas be trolling in my DMs when they sending me threats. Yeah, every time I drip, driving what comes to the back door. We don't wait, it starts like the app store. Tell me what more can you ask?
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
My bad.
I'm on the channel.
Yep.
Just a fucking different vibe, bro.
You're a different man. I need my car back out. Yeah, please. My boy's wiping the cups down. What a real one. Thank you, boss. I appreciate it.
I don't like the rain.
There's too much rain on the floor, bro, to do anything.
I don't like the rain.
Yeah, there's too much rain on the floor.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cruise. I told you this was
I want an SI now. I'm selling the Integra. So we pulled up in the dailies, the hill. Wow. Nice. 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 Let's run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Ready? Yep. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was fun. I haven't been out in a long time with the boys. Very chill, very fun night. Ah, man, I missed the Integra. Peace.